Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women choosing a suitable method. So, the table number of heartbeats per minute 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86. Number of women Fi 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Xi column, that is middle value. 65 plus 68 by 2, that is 66.5. Then 69.5, 72.5, 75.5, 78.5, 81.5, 84.5. Then Fi Xi column 2 into 66.5, 133. 4 into 69.5, 278. 3 into 72.5, 217.5. 8 into 75.5, 604. 7 into 78.5, 549.5. 4 into 81.5, 326. 2 into 84.5, 169. Fi column sum is 30. Fi Xi column sum is 2277. Mean equal to sigma Fi Xi whole divided by sigma Fi, that is equal to 2277 by 30, that is equal to 75.9. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Find the mean number of boxes. Number of mangoes 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64. Number of boxes 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. Here you see the class intervals 50 to 52, first class interval, then 53 to 55, then 56 to 58. You can see there is a gap between each class intervals. That means these class intervals are not continuous. So first let us discuss how can we make class intervals continuous. So for that, first you see how much gap is between them. First class interval upper limit is 52 and the second class interval lower limit is 53. So the difference between them is 53 minus 52, that is equal to 1. To make it continuous, first you find the half of that difference. Here the difference is 1, half of the difference is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Next you have to do subtract half of the difference, that means this 0.5 to the lower limit and add half of the difference to the upper limit. Subtract 0.5 to the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So subtract 0.5 to 50, it will become 49.5. And add 0.5 to 52, it will become 52.5. So first class interval changed 49.5 to 52.5. Same we can do for the next class interval. Subtract 0.5 from 53, we get it is 52.5. Add 0.5 to 55, it becomes 55.5. So second class interval also changed and so on. Third is 55.5 to 58.5. Next one 58.5 to 61.5. Next one 61.5 to 64.5. Now you can see there is no gap between the class intervals. That means the class interval we made continuous. Here you see, if we find the class mark means middle value. We can find it. Here the middle value is 50 to 52. The middle value is 51. Here how can we find the class interval? Add these two numbers and divide it by 2. There also we get 51. That means if the class intervals are continuous or not continuous, the class mark will be same. So in the case of finding mean, even if we don't change the class intervals to continuous, we can find out the mean. So here class mark 51, 54, 57, 60 and 63. So this I just discussed only how can we make the class intervals to continuous. We can follow the usual method to find the mean. Okay. Number of mangoes 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64. Number of boxes, that is FI column 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. XI column 51, 54, 57, 60, 63. FI column 15 into 51, 765, 110 into 54, 5940, 135 into 57, 7695, 115 into 60, 6900, 25 into 63, 1575. FI column sum 400. FI column sum 22,875. Mean equal to sigma FI divided by sigma FI. That is equal to 22,875 divided by 400. That is equal to 57.1875. We can round it to 2 decimal places. That is mean equal to 57.19. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.